Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through exactly how to enable Discord notifications on your phone so you never miss a message, a ping from your friends, or an important server announcement again. It's quick, it's easy, and by the end of this video, you'll have Discord alerts popping up just the way you want them. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Settings app. This is where all your notification controls live, and it's the key to managing which apps can or can't send you alerts. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Notifications. Tap it to open. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Look for App Notifications. This is where you can customize alerts for each app individually. Go ahead and tap on it. Now scroll through your list of apps until you find Discord. Once you do, tap on Discord to open its specific notification settings. Here's the important part. You'll see a toggle switch that lets you turn notifications on or off. If it's off, that's why you've been missing your messages. Simply toggle it on, and just like that, notifications are enabled. Once you've done that, you can also double-check that Discord itself is set to send notifications. You can do this by opening the Discord app, heading to your profile settings, and tapping on notifications to fine-tune what alerts you'd like, whether it's direct messages, mentions, or server updates. And that's it. You've now successfully turned on Discord notifications. From here, you'll be alerted every time someone tags you, DMs you, or something exciting happens on your favorite server. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out more quick how-to videos like this to keep your apps and settings running smoothly. Thanks for watching.